December 12. So, ngayon yung flight namin. Although, hindi ko to maa-upload agad-agad because we'll be doing a surprise sa family side sa Toronto. So, maybe I'll be uploading this video late. So, yeah, maaga kami gumising. About 6:30. Our flight is at 11. So, our brother from the church will come and pick us up later. So, makilala niyo siya if he allows us to video him. And, yan. So, nire-ready namin ngayon everything. Ready na lahat. Oh, show daw. Oh, show daw. Oh, and she is also gonna get ready. Okay? Because we're gonna go to the airport.
Okay.
Okay? You tell them see you later. So this is our Uber. Hey, Uncle. Yeah. This is our Uber. Come on, let's go, Calista.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you.
Wow, good thing there's a playground here. Kids can play a little playground. Waiting time sa mga kids. Oh. Tapos may mini TV pa sila dito. Which is nice. May pa-castle sila. Oh.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober.
Nagtitingin kami ng water siguro for us.
Meron tayong water?
Just water for us. Guys, may nagsha-shopping now. Captain America. Are you getting Captain America? Yeah? Nag-shopping na siya, guys, oh. Meron silang cute little store. Usually sa airports, ganito talaga. They have cute little stores. Okay guys, yung videographer medyo hinihingal. Kasi alam nyo naman may toddler tayo. We're getting in. Ha? Ay, naku. Tingnan nyo guys, nagme-merienda na agad, tsaka uupo lang niya. So guys, naka-board na kami. Ito na si Bulili. And she's using the iPad. Boarding time.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from.
Tingnan nyo naman guys, napakabait ko. So far, so good. She's so very good sa aming take-off. Ang galing ng pilot namin. Magaling ng pilot namin sa take-off. Diba, Buchi? You happy? Are you happy? So far, good girl siya. So, nag-offer ang question. Pero din pala ang question guys na mga snap. So, si Bobby is eating meron siyang pretzel. So, syempre, kumakain din ng pretzel. And ako naman, nag-request ako ng decaf sana na coffee. Pero meron naman pala silang decaf, caffeine-free na, na tea. So, meron akong peppermint for a domestic flight because some of the airlines hindi sila nag-offer talaga ng snack. So, this is kind of like kung meron kayong anak, pwede na rin. I mean, it's not that bad. So, we're flying with WestJet. Nag-play daw na siya, guys. Did it get stuck? Okay.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Get Mickey Mouse, Mickey. Get Mickey Mouse. Yay! Luggage. See. Whoops. 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 Oops. Oops. Wow. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. They're opening the door. Yeah, I think Lolo, they're just putting up Lolo.
Coming!
Hi, Lolo! Surprise!
Come, Lolo. Bless you, Lolo. God bless you.
Ready? Hi, Pa. Pa. Thank you. Try Buchi, say, stick your hand out. No, go like this. Pa. Pa, Kai.
Di alam ni Rixie pala. Wala kasi
Yeah!
wala kasi Facebook si Rixie. Tatawagin ko siya sa...
Ano po?
Wala na kasi Facebook si